Welcome to my MailerLite Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. If you're looking for a streamlined, user-friendly email marketing and automation platform, MailerLite is a solid choice. Designed for small to medium-sized businesses and digital marketers, it offers a robust suite of features at an affordable price point. MailerLite stands out with its intuitive interface, making it easy for even beginners to get started. The drag-and-drop editor is simple yet powerful, allowing you to create visually appealing emails with no coding required. It also offers automation workflows, enabling you to send personalized emails based on subscriber behavior. Whether it's a welcome email, a post-purchase follow-up, or a drip campaign, you can set up automation in minutes. One of the key features I appreciate is its segmentation options. MailerLite allows you to create highly targeted lists by segmenting based on user actions, demographics, or even custom fields. This means your emails are more likely to hit the right audience at the right time, improving engagement and conversion rates. Plus, the platform includes A/B testing tools, so you can easily test subject lines, email content, and send times to optimize your campaigns for better performance. MailerLite's reporting dashboard is another strong point. It provides clear insights into open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. You can track each email's success in real time, and the data is easy to digest, allowing you to quickly make adjustments if needed. When it comes to integrations, MailerLite connects smoothly with popular tools like Zapier, Shopify, WordPress, and many others. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses already using a variety of platforms, as you can automate your workflows across different systems with ease. On the downside, while MailerLite offers a free plan, some advanced features, like certain automation triggers, are only available in higher-tier plans. However, for businesses on a budget, the free version still offers a lot of value, and the paid plans are reasonably priced. In conclusion, MailerLite is an excellent marketing automation tool for anyone looking to build and grow their email marketing campaigns. Its easy-to-use interface, automation features, and affordability make it a top contender for businesses aiming to boost their marketing efforts without breaking the bank.